Welcome again to Andrea's Trini Kitchen, where Andrea bring home-cooked meals, beautiful dishes, real sumptuous meals to your home. So today I'm going to be doing what we call peanut punch in Trinidad. You know, you're just relaxing and you want a nice little drink. Peanut punch, when I tell you, it's real tasty. This is going to be the tastiest peanut punch you have ever tried. So for those of you who are now viewing into my channel, welcome aboard. This is your girl Andrea, and I would like you to try out this recipe. This is the first thing I want you to try out if you're now viewing. Okay, so let's go. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 can, which is a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. So this is the milk here, carnation milk. 10 tablespoons of condensed milk. Half a cup of sugar. I'm going to be using a white sugar. A dash of Angostura bitters. Nutmeg straight from Grenada, right? A dash of nutmeg, a dash of vanilla essence, and of course, you cannot make peanut butter without peanut butter. You cannot make a punch without the peanut butter, in fact. So I'm going to be using half cup of creamy, you see what I'm saying? Creamy peanut butter, not the one with the nuts, because you don't want, when you're drinking that peanut butter, you feel that nuts going down. Okay, so here we go. Ice, put some ice to the blender so it's going to be chilly and nice. Okay, I'm going to add the carnation milk. Also the condensed milk. Nice, tasty. If you want your peanut punch to have a nice taste, okay? You want it to be sweet enough. You can add additional milk if you want. It all depends on your taste buds, okay? But I'm just going to be using 10 tablespoons of this condensed milk. Okay. So the peanut butter, the creamy one, half a cup. Right? A sprinkle of nutmeg. A little dash of vanilla essence. Angostura bitters, well known to the Caribbean, well known to Trinidad, 1 dash. The little thing gonna be real tasty. And the sugar, half a cup of white sugar. Blend it up now. That's all you need to do. You stop the blender and you check the consistency of it. See, it's creamy and nice. Oh. Put it to blend again for a couple seconds. And that's it, folks. I'm going to pour it out into these glasses here. Wow, and it's chilled already with the ice, you know. You don't have to add any ice to it. Some people prefer not to add ice, but I love to add my ice to it, okay? So guys, this is your homemade peanut punch, right? Specially blended by your girl Andrea. And I'm going to take a taste of this peanut punch now. Wow, this is really, really good, folks. You need to try this out. You're getting all that combination of flavors in it, right? So from my kitchen to your home, I'm bringing you homemade peanut punch. See you again with another really good video. This is your girl Andrea saying good night.